This camera here has made me over £350,000. I mean, it's crazy saying that, and I bet most of you are probably thinking it's clickbait, but I promise you it's not. It all started 7 years ago when I was a lifeguard thinking, I've got to get out of this job, man. For my birthday, my mum bought me a camera. That was it. I started filming promotional videos for free for anybody who wanted one because I didn't have a portfolio. I started filming football academies. I then went into some like foodie bits, and then I moved over to like events, and then I ended up in like the nightclub scene for 1 or 2 years, and then that's where my life changed. I was lucky. I met the right person at the right time and started to film and run social media accounts for Turkish restaurants in my local area. And I mean, if someone said to me, like, how much have you made in your career as like a content creator? And I say, well, I've been doing it for like 5-6 years and I've made £350,000. They'll think, how is that possible? Even I think, how the fuck is that possible? But the truth is I don't think people realize how much money there is to make in content creation. It can be a camera, it can be a phone, it can be an Osmo Pocket 3, like one of these things here. It can be anything. And I was at the age, I think I was 20 years old when I picked up the camera for the first time. And when I transitioned from being that guy who made promotional videos, like one-off videos, a client would call me, have a video, 6 months later have another video, I transitioned it into having a marketing agency, and that is when my life literally done a full 360 spin. 180, you know what I'm trying to say. I was signing clients for £600, £700, £800 a month, sometimes £1,500 a month, and I was having 9 of them or 10 of them. I got up to 25 clients at one stage. Let's not talk about it because I was so unhealthy and unwell because I was doing it all myself. It's unbelievable. But I made a shitload of money, and it may or may not have bought my first house. Little old me sitting on that lifeguarding chair. If I would have thought this £2,000 investment, now I didn't even put my own money into, made me that much money, I would have done it sooner. And over the course of my channel, I've always said, if you are someone who has a 9-to-5 job making £2,500 a month, let's just say, you can leave that 9-to-5 job by becoming a content creator and or creating a marketing agency. Just think about how many businesses there are out there. You've got paddle clubs, you've got restaurants, you've got gyms, you've got aesthetic companies. There's so many businesses, thousands, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of businesses who need content and social media to run their business and to help them out because they don't know what they're doing. And all you need is 5 of them to pay you £500 a month to quit your 9-to-5 job. And I make it sound easy, but I did exactly that. I remember it was only 3 years ago. I was running ads for a client for £300 a month. I was filming one-off promo videos. I had a few Turkish clients paying me £600-700 a month, and I was making like 4 or 5 grand. And I was like, yeah, this is sick. But when I transitioned to charging more and offering more, and it was on a monthly basis, then like I said, my life changed. I'm gonna work this out with you because I don't know what it is at the top of my head on the calculator, but let's say you're charging £1,000 a month for a client. Now divide that by 30 days, that's £33.30 a day. Divide that by 24, which is 24 hours in a day. You're being paid £1.38 an hour every single hour of the day. Now, you might not think that's a lot of money, £1.38. You spend more than that on a Red Bull at the shop, I know. But the fact is when you sleep for 8 hours, times that by 8. No, times that £1.38 times 8 is £11 you make for sleeping. Again, not a lot of money. It's a tenner. Do you know what I mean? Like, what's a tenner? And you do all that day's work for it. It doesn't make sense. But then let's just say you sign 10 clients. By the time you go to sleep and you wake up, you make more money than most people going to London for their 9-to-5 job. And that is what people have to understand about monthly contracts with social media or content creation. Instead of just doing one-off jobs or charging one-off projects, get into the monthly retainer model. So you make £110 for sleeping for 1 day, right? Times that now by 30 days. You make £3,312 a month to sleep. But that is if you have 10 clients paying you £1,000 a month, which means you're making £10,000 a month. But what I'm trying to say is, whilst you sleep and you're not working and you're not doing anything, you're making someone's monthly salary whilst you sleep. And the thing is, no one told me to do the monthly retainer model. I kind of just fell into it. A guy said to me, "Oh, Joe, instead of me doing one-off, can I just pay you £1,000 and you just like come once a month and you run the social media for a restaurant?" And I was like, yeah, cool. So I did it. And then when I had like 3 or 4, I was like, hang on a minute, this is like a snowball effect here. But yeah, that's the story, how this camera has made me over it's actually more than £350,000. I'm saying, and I've put £350,000 in the title, because if I put the real number, you just won't believe me. And you just think it's clickbait when it's not. At the end of the day, this camera, this is actually my first ever camera, which I still use. This camera has taken me on some insane holidays, has taken me to insane places because I got paid to film, like halfway across the world on a cruise ship, flew out to the Dominican Republic to film a wedding. This has put me in every nice car I've had. This has helped me meet so many celebrities who helped me on my journey to build my marketing agency. This camera bought my first house. How can this buy my first house? Honestly, if you're talking about ROI, this camera is like off the fucking scale. All because I just learned how to use a camera and edit videos and click post on social media and run ads and content creation and deal with client bullshit and chase invoices every single day and not have a social life and be able to work at like 16 hours a day. Apart from all of that, it changed my life. But look, if you're still watching this video, I don't have anything to sell you. I don't have an online course. I don't have a mentorship. You won't find any links in the bio. All I ask you to do is just please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying my best to grow the channel and try and give as much advice out for free that most people are going to charge for. You can literally write a comment in my comment section now with a question and I will reply to you. It could be like, how do I get my first client? How do I start? Can you help me? Yeah, sure. Send me a message on Instagram. I made like a little community so all the messages are in one place. Put a message in the community and I'll reply to you pretty much straight away. I'm just trying my best to grow a YouTube channel and to teach as many people how to start a social media marketing agency in 2026 and beyond. If not a marketing agency, then how to start a content creation agency in 2026 and beyond. So start today if you're wanting to leave that 9-to-5 job. Honestly, it's the best thing you'll ever do.